guys, I'm Sabrina.
I'm Shannon.
And we're the Modern Label. So Halloween is right around the corner and it's time for our annual Halloween makeup tutorial. It's not even a tutorial, it's recreating a makeup tutorial. So today we're doing Amanda ENSING'S Cheshire Cat Halloween makeup tutorial. We'll have her original video linked down below. So yeah, here is us attempting it. In the beginning, she puts on like foundation and concealer. We've already done that. Yeah.
That's done.
Yeah.
But that's about it.
Yeah.
I actually haven't even watched the movie.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel.
Should we fast forward? Okay, this is where she like does her foundation and concealer.
Mauve shade in the crease.
Color buffing back and forth, and then I'll move on to a dark mauve shade to darken up the crease.
So she uses a mauve shade and then a darker mauve shade. Okay, this is the LA palette in Nude Intense. That's my hair.
Okay, how did my hair get there?
Here are the shades. Is it focusing? We're gonna use, where did it go? This one and this one.
And then I'll move
in the
on
crease. I don't have a crease.
darker
So
mauve.
you're just gonna
We
go
don't have
over my
creases.
I'm just gonna go on my lid. Okay. Alright. Maybe I should bring this closer so I don't like leave the camera.
Okay, I think it is too overexposed. Should I like? Okay, it's better.
Sorry for the lighting change.
Okay.
When they say crease, it just goes over my whole lid.
I know.
So
Are you already
Are you already on the darker shade? I haven't even done that yet.
Oh, okay.
To darken up the crease. You guys always ask me to play with purple, and I kept thinking of that while I was doing this look. And I know this is a Halloween look, but I love the way the eye turned out on its own. Like, I would wear this totally by itself. Next, I'm going to...
Okay, she didn't even tell us how to put it on.
I'm gonna skip that one.
Okay, we're gonna go in with this purple shade right there. I guess she's just putting it in her crease. We're gonna put it in our crease.
Crease. I'm gonna put it in the corner.
I don't know what I'm doing.
liven up the crease. This has more of like that berry tone.
Huh?
And I'm gonna put it back and forth.
How many things did she put in her crease?
Okay, we need a berry tone. You
I have that. Going in with this one, this purple. Can you see that? I don't really know. Does it even look like purple on camera? That one. Okay. Oh no. This don't look good, girl. Not for you, for me.
Oh no, mine too.
Oh yeah.
This is not how it's supposed to turn out.
Well, do we ever do any eye things properly? I think we like spend more time struggling with like the eye makeup than the actual like hard special effects. Right. Let's go. Ready? Look at each other. 1, 2, 3, go.
I give
All
up.
the way to inner corner.
All the way to the inner corner, Shannon.
Oh
50 shades of purple later, I'm taking
Literally.
another shade of purple to brighten up the crease. Going in with
Let's
the hot
do that
dot
one.
for the lid color. This is like my
Okay,
favorite
let's do
color
that.
in
We
the
can do
entire
that.
look because it's so bright and fun. It's from the Urban Decay Electric palette. Like,
Do we have an electric
it
pink?
just makes me happy.
no! I gotta flip. Shoddy knot. It's on my house.
Shannon.
I look like I'm dumb.
You're dumb. Okay, so we used this one on our eyelids, and now we're gonna use, where did it go?
Down here.
This one, a dark plum shade.
Yeah.
I actually really like that video.
I give up. This didn't happen. It just looks like how it did the first time. Like nothing has changed.
Playing around with this liner today, we are going all the way out and making it thick.
Stop, you're making me nervous.
I'm scared. I don't know what to do.
Mine is like a crow's wing.
It's not even sharp. It's like
Mine is like a group. She said to make the most of it. I'm making the most of it. Okay, I'm just gonna stop all my head.
Okay, what do you suggest I fix?
Nothing.
No, look at it.
For my brows, I'm going to start by lightly filling them in.
Wait, did
with
she fill in
brow
her
They're
lash
not
line down
shape that I
there?
want them
Well,
to be.
I don't think she did that.
Oh, she's putting purple on her eyebrows now.
What the fuck? The same one that we used before. Okay.
Maybelline gel liner, oldie but a goodie. I bought a new one.
Okay, gel liner.
I think when I was in high school, I tried underlining my like under eyes.
Oh my god, same. I don't think it was
And then that's emo.
Yeah. Oh no.
Ta-da!
Gel liner, and I'm just inverting the inner corner of my eye. I'm just going at an angle from the top lash line downwards and making a little triangle.
Really? I feel like it's not dark enough.
Really?
Then I'm going to take a white eyeliner. This is from...
Oh no. Oh no, oh no.
Oh no.
Oh no. No, did you leave? Oh my god. Okay, let's see what she does.
Cat
draw a
now.
line right in the middle.
The white,
of
the white.
inverted-
I have the white.
And I'm taking purple eyeshadow on the lower lash line. First with a pencil brush, and then with a bigger brush.
I can do that. I can do that. I can.
So I'm going to go back to my crease brush and contour my nose with some purple eyeshadow. After I get the lines that I want on the side of my nose, I'll take a fluffier brush with a little bit of the lighter mauve transition color just to buff and blend it.
Okay, purple and mauve.
I think so too. It's like too thick now, so where's it this time? Surely not. Surely not. Just let me help.
Eyeshadow and stencil out the shape that I want. Kind of like using a pencil first, then going in with a pen. That's kind of my idea here. So I'm starting out with the shape, and then I'm going in with this purple.
Let's use this purple. Okay, we're going in back with the Morphe palette with that purple, and then we're just gonna do it to align the bridge of her nose, like she said.
I'm just going to dot it on the nose and blend it out with a flat definer brush.
Just do that.
Dimensions of purples and pinks, and it just makes it look more cartoon-like.
We should use white for that, right?
Yeah.
Let's do white.
Going to apply this on the cheeks and around the forehead, almost where you would contour normally with the bronzer. That's where I'm applying the blush, and I'm piling.
Do you have blush? I still don't like my eyes.
Oh, me neither.
An angled brush to add little hair-like strokes on the face. Kind of looks like fur.
These don't look good.
I'm going in very light strokes to map out the shape, and I think the tricky part is getting them even. At least for me, getting both sides even was very difficult. With the white.
Like that.
In the darkest of days, sometimes we find out who we are. Be the change or
Looking good. Okay. Continue.
That took
onward.
so much concentration.
That did.
Use the most pressure. Little whiskers with the eyeliner brush.
It's because you do this slowly. I just went. I was like, okay.
So it's
Just
kind
to-
of like the lower lash line. So add a darker color, and then you buff with a lighter color. Add more hair strokes with the purple liquid lip right over the eyeshadow marks we made earlier, just to define it. So here is my version of a Cheshire
Oh, are we
cat.
done?
I really hope you enjoyed
Oh,
it.
we're
I had so
or hit the bottom, hit it hard. We have a choice, yeah, we can take the power away.
So that was it for our video today. We hope you guys enjoyed, and
We'll be back with another Halloween video next week.
bye!
In the darkest of days, sometimes we find out who we are. Be the change or hit the bottom, hit it hard. We have a choice, yeah, we can take the power away and turn it into something to believe in.